Hi children, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. In our previous class, we discussed regarding Earth and its companion, that is about solar system, planets and also the shape of the Earth. Today we are going to discuss regarding rotation, revolution, the sun and the moon. Okay. First we are going to discuss regarding rotation and revolution. Okay. Earth is moving all the time. Earth is moving all the time. It has two types of movement. It has two types of movements. That is rotation and revolution. Rotation and revolution. First one, rotation. Rotation. Okay. Earth spins like a top on its own axis. Earth spins like a top on its own axis. What is axis? Look at the picture. Can you see the red line? Yes, this is axis. It is an imaginary line. It is not real. It is an imaginary line. This line passing through the center of the earth vertically and it joins the north pole and the south pole. Okay, it joins the north pole and the south pole. It's an imaginary line. It is an imaginary line. Okay, axis is an imaginary line, passes through the center of the earth. Okay, the earth spins on its own axis. Okay, the earth spins on its own axis is called rotation. The movement, the spinning movement of earth on its own axis is called rotation. Rotation. The earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. To complete one rotation, the earth takes 24 hours. The rotation causes day and night. Okay, the rotation causes day and night. Okay, children, I'll explain with the help of a video. So, children, the spinning of earth on its own axis is called rotation. Okay, the earth completes one rotation in 24 hours. This rotation causes day and night on earth. Revolution of earth. Revolution of earth. While the earth rotates on its own axis, at the same time it also goes around the sun. We know all the planets moves around the sun, isn't it? Yes, all the planets moves around the sun in a fixed path. What is that? Yes, orbits. All the planets moves around the sun in a fixed path, that is called orbit. Like that, our earth also goes around the sun in a fixed orbit. Okay, that is revolution of earth. Okay, it moves on its own axis and at the same time it also moves around goes around the sun in a fixed orbit. That is revolution. Revolution. Rotation means the spinning of earth on its own axis. The spinning of earth on its own axis is rotation. The revolution means the movement of earth. The movement of earth around the sun in a fixed orbit is called revolution. Revolution. Okay, the earth completes its one revolution in 365 and 1/4 days. It means 1 year. 1 year. And the rotation, the revolution causes the seasons. Okay, causes seasons such as spring, autumn, summer, winter. Okay, because of revolution it causes different seasons. Okay, that is revolution. I'll explain more with the help of a video. So, the movement of earth around the sun in a fixed orbit is called revolution. The sun. We know we get heat and light from the sun, isn't it? Yes. Look at the picture. The sun is like a big ball of hot gases and fire. It is the star closest to the earth. It is the closest star to the earth. The temperature of the sun is about 5400 degrees Celsius. Okay, 5400 degrees Celsius. The earth and other planets gets light and heat from the sun. The earth and other planets get light and heat from the sun. Okay, so children, the earth, we know all the planet do not have its own light. all the planets get heat and light from the sun. Because of sun we can feel that the planets have light, but actually the planets do not have its own light. Okay, I'll explain more about sun with the help of a video.
Children, sun is like a big ball of hot gases and fire. It is a star closest to the earth. The sun has its own light and heat. The temperature of sun is about 5400 degrees Celsius. Okay. Children, we know moon is the natural satellite of earth. It is about 3,84,400 kilometers away from the earth. It takes 27.3 days to complete one rotation as well as revolution around earth. Moon do not have its own light. It reflects the light of sun. So we call it as moonlight. Okay. Can you see the huge holes on the surface of the moon? This is called craters. There is no air on the moon.
So children, we know moon is the only one natural satellite of earth. Moon is the natural satellite of earth. Okay children, so in this session we discussed regarding rotation, revolution, the sun and the moon. Okay children, thank you.